Bethany, and Uncle Brett. And Aunt Gavin. Love you.
What did we do at their house yesterday? That was so much fun.
We went trick-or-treating.
And?
I got the most and the whole world.
And? Thank you.
And thank you for letting me trick-or-treat.
It's always so much fun. Aunt Bethany has the best trick-or-treating party ever.
Aunt Bethany has the best trick-or-treating party ever.
And?